Hello, how is it going everybody? In this video, we will be starting off with variables and data types. Here, we will be dealing with integers and floats, and in the next video, we shall look at strings and textual data. So, in the last class, we looked at the simple hello world print statement. These lines with hash here are called single line comments and do not affect the output of your program. These comments are mostly used for documentation purposes. As a bonus tip, you can press Ctrl plus question mark if you are on Windows to comment or uncomment the code. Alternatively, you can press Command plus question mark if you are on a Mac. Alright, now let's create a new variable here called num1 equal to 1. In case you are wondering what is a variable is simply something that acts as a placeholder for a value. In order to check the type of the variable, Python provides a type function. If I were to print the value of num3 instead of num1, the type changes to a float. Now, since these are numbers, you can perform the usual mathematical operations on them. I guess you might be familiar with most of these operations, but I would like to highlight the division operation, since it works a little differently in Python as compared to other programming languages. If we were to use a single slash, Python gives me a decimal output, even if the output could have been an integer. If I wanted an integer output, the syntax would be to use a double slash operator. Next, let's look at the double asterisk symbol. This actually raises one number to the power of another number. Alternatively, Python also provides you the POW function, which basically gets you the same output. This percentage sign here stands for modulo operation, which is a remainder for the division of the first and second number. Alright, getting to some more cool stuff. Num plus equal to 1 here is known as the increment operation. Now, you could also do this as num equal to num plus 1, but this one right here just looks like a better shorthand. If you are coming from another programming language or have some prior programming experience, you might be used to seeing something like num plus plus or num minus minus. Now, this doesn't actually work the same way in Python, and the reason for this is num plus equal to 1 is just more clean, readable and concise code. So that's all for this video guys. If you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop them in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer them, and I will see you all in the next video.